So, you want to be a freelancer, you've seen the dream, laptops on beaches, total freedom, but for most, the reality is a roller coaster. 1 month, you land a big project, the next, nothing. This feast or famine cycle is why so many give up and return to a regular job. Problem isn't your talent, it's the lack of a system. Most treat freelancing like a lottery, hoping clients will magically appear. But hope isn't a business strategy. Freelancing is a business, and like any business, it needs a predictable process for generating revenue. Imagine a coffee shop that opens randomly. Chaos, right? Your freelance career is no different. The key isn't working harder, it's building a simple, repeatable system that brings in clients consistently. That's how you break free from the feast or famine trap. Let's get real. Most freelancers are stuck because they make 3 big mistakes. First, they try to do everything. Design, social media, video, emails, confusing clients and looking like a generalist. Clients want experts, not jacks of all trades. Second, they charge by the hour, which punishes efficiency and caps your income. The faster you work, the less you earn. That's a losing game. Third, they rely on luck, posting profiles and waiting, hoping someone finds them. This post and pray method means you have zero control over your income. These mistakes, being a generalist, selling your time and waiting for luck, keep you stuck chasing low-paying gigs. To get ahead, you need a focused, strategic blueprint. Ditch the scattershot approach. Build a business, not a collection of random gigs. Here's how. The answer? Think like a business owner, not a gig worker. Consistent income comes from a simple 4-step blueprint. Step 1, pick one high-demand skill. Step 2, package it into a clear fixed-price offer. Step 3, build one repeatable system for getting clients. Step 4, stabilize your income with a few great clients before scaling. This focused system removes guesswork and chaos. You're not hoping for income, you're engineering it. Let's break down each step. Step 1, choose one high-demand skill. Passion is great, but demand pays the bills. Find what you're good at and what businesses pay for, like Facebook ads, SEO, email copywriting, or webflow development. Don't overthink it. Pick a profitable skill and commit. Avoid shiny object syndrome. Don't jump from skill to skill. For 6 months, go all in. Learn, practice, and build deep expertise. Being excellent at one thing beats being average at 5. Specialists are easier to market, command higher prices, and attract better clients. Clients want the go-to expert, not a generalist. So, pick your lane and stay in it. Don't move on until you've made this commitment. That's your foundation. Step 2, stop selling hours, start selling results. Create clear, fixed-price packages that solve real problems. For example, a YouTube Jumpstart package, 4 edited videos, custom thumbnails, and descriptions for a flat fee. Productized services make pricing simple and shift the focus to value, not time. Clients know exactly what they're getting and what it costs. As you get faster, your effective hourly rate goes up, but the client still gets the same great result. Define deliverables, set a price, and give your package a name. Start with 1 or 2 core offers. This clarity builds client confidence and lets you scale your income. Don't trade time for money, trade solutions for value. That's how you grow. Step 3, build a simple, repeatable system to get clients. Pick one platform, LinkedIn, Twitter, Upwork, or cold email, and master it. Don't spread yourself thin, focus on one channel. For writers, maybe it's LinkedIn. Optimize your profile, post daily insights, and connect with target clients. For video editors, maybe it's Twitter, DM YouTubers with value and samples. The key is a daily or weekly checklist, actions you can repeat. Consistency fills your pipeline and removes luck from the equation. Whether it's sending 5 proposals or 20 emails a day, make it a habit. Your client getting machine should run like clockwork. This is how you take control of your lead flow. One platform, one process, every day. That's how you win clients predictably. Step 4, stabilize before you scale. Don't rush to expand. Focus on getting 2 to 4 great clients who cover your expenses and more. Aim for recurring monthly revenue that gives you peace of mind. Fewer better clients mean less chaos and stronger relationships. Over-deliver for your current clients. Make them want to stay and refer you. Happy clients are your best marketing. Only after you've maintained stable income for several months should you think about scaling. Then, refine your system or add higher tier packages. Grow from a position of strength, not desperation. Stabilize first, then scale. That's how you build a lasting freelance business. Most chase freelancing for freedom, but real success is about control. Freedom without structure leads to chaos and the feast or famine cycle. The real win is building a system where you control your income, time, and career. In a job, your fate is in someone else's hands. In freelancing, you pull the levers. Want more income? Ramp up your client-getting machine or launch a new offer. Each step of the blueprint gives you more control over your expertise, pricing, lead flow, and financial foundation. Replace luck with strategy. Don't just dream about freedom, build control, take action now. Pick your high-demand skill, write it down, and commit. That's your first step to a predictable, profitable freelance business. Control your future. Don't leave it to chance. The blueprint is here. Start today. Go make it happen.